In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the min and max function in Microsoft Excel. These two functions will allow us to find the highest value and the lowest value. So I'll label here highest money collected, and here we have January to November, and we have the different amounts that were collected for each month. So I'm going to type equal max, open bracket. I'm going to indicate the range. So the range is B4 colon, which represents through, B14 close bracket, enter, and the highest value as we see is $500. Or the next function we're going to use is min. So we'll type a label, lowest money collected, and in the next cell, with the cell address B16, we're going to type equal min, open bracket, and the range for the cells from the period January to November, the range would be B4 colon B14 close bracket, and then you press enter on the keyboard. So the highest amount of money that was collected during the period starting in January and ending in November was $500, and the lowest amount of money that was collected in the same period was $10. So if we wanted to put the borders around it, we will block these four cells from A15 to B16, and we would come up to in the ribbon, where the home tab on the ribbon, we'll go to the font. Then we come to borders and we select all borders, and we would have completed our use of the min and max function to find the highest money that was collected and the lowest money that was collected over the period beginning in January to November. So this brings us to the end of today's video. In the next video, we'll be explaining how to do a trace table, which is done in programming. So we encourage you to join us, and we're looking forward to seeing you in that video. Please take care. Until then, bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.